Hi, I'm Paul Perdue, and I'm the infrastructure nerd. Do you hear that? No, you don't? That's because I've turned off all of my notifications. I no longer get notified when an email comes in. I no longer get notified when somebody friends me or comments about me on Facebook. I no longer get notified when my farm needs watering in heyday. But don't tell anybody I play that. It's kind of our little secret. Everything that used to interrupt my day has been turned off with the exception of my cell phone's actual ringing phone and my cell phone's text messaging alert. I used to have a sound that would come up from my computer when I got an email, in addition to a sound that came from my cell phone, in addition to a little box that would pop up in the corner of my computer, and all those things together conspired against me to keep me from ever getting anything done. And then when you add on to that all the other notices and notifications that I was getting, I don't even tell how many emails I have when I look at my iPad anymore. I don't even have anything on my phone that indicates that I even have an email. And I tell you, that has been liberating. I no longer am constantly drawn away from whatever it is that I'm doing. Because what would happen is I'd go to my iPad to check a price or to look at something for a client. I'd see that I'd have an email. I'd go in there. I'd all of a sudden be caught up in email. Next thing you know, I'm clicking on a link and I'm gone. I'm off on a different tangent, and it takes me 5 minutes to get back to what I was doing. Now that doesn't mean I don't respond to emails, and I'm not one of those people who only checks my email twice a day. And that doesn't mean that my people that I work with can't interrupt me. They can. I still get a tone when I get a text message on my phone. And that doesn't mean that I only focus on one thing at a time. I'll quite frequently have a couple things going. But what it means is that I may not respond to the email that you send me for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes instead of immediately. And what it means is that I no longer get interrupted 8 times in the middle of doing one thing. And what that means is that now it takes me 50% less time to do those things, and I think I'm doing a better job because I'm being more focused on what I'm doing. I'm getting all the way from the beginning to the end without getting interrupted. And as I say, it's been liberating. That's my rant for today. What's yours?